You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly in British English. Let's start with the top word. It's pronounced worth. The TH sound is with your tongue between your teeth, obviously. Worth, worth. The bottom word, worthy, worthy, the. Again, your tongue between your teeth. Worth, worthy. In American English, the pronunciation is a little bit different. Top word, worth. Bottom word, worthy. Worth, worthy. US pronunciation, or worth, worthy. British English, UK. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.